High in a green tree lived a tiny bird named Lila. Lila's feathers were soft and gray, but her eyes were full of wonder. Every morning, she watched the sunrise paint the sky. "I wish my feathers were as colorful as that," she sighed. One day, Lila spotted a rainbow after a storm. She flapped closer, hoping to catch its colors. But the rainbow faded before she reached it. "Don't worry," said a butterfly nearby. "Colors are everywhere if you look." Lila followed the butterfly into a field of flowers. The red roses waved gently in the breeze. The yellow sunflowers stretched tall toward the sky. The bluebells rang softly with the wind. Lila chirped happily. "These colors are beautiful." She plucked a petal and tucked it under her wing. Then she carried a golden leaf from the forest. Next, she dipped her wings in the sparkling blue river. Slowly, Lila's feathers began to shine with bits of color. Red, yellow, blue, and green shimmered on her wings. Other birds gathered, amazed. "Where did you find such colors?" they asked. Lila smiled. "I found them in the world around me." She sang a bright song, and the flowers seemed to dance. The rainbow returned, glowing stronger than before. Lila spread her wings, shining with all the colors she had collected. From that day on, she was known as the little bird who carried the rainbow.